The overall goal of this protocol is to determine the power input in stirred laboratory bioreactors based on torque measurements.
The main advantage of this technique is that commercially available sensors can be used for benchtop scale investigations, which enables the user to perform measurements for scaling up studies. Visual demonstration of this technique is critical because the proper installation of the torque transducer is important for reliable measurements.
Set up the bioreactor elements and control apparatus on a lab bench. For this experiment, there is a 2-liter mixing tank and the vessel holder. There is also a specially designed holder for the agitator motor. In addition to a mount for the motor, there is a mount for a torque meter. The special design includes an air bearing with an input for pressurized air. Use a computer and bioreactor control unit for data acquisition and control. Also, provide a liquid with defined density and viscosity, such as pure water or sucrose solution. The first step is to mount the agitator motor and the torque transducer. First, place the brushless servo agitator motor onto the top of the holder. Secure the motor in place with screws. Then orient the torque transducer properly and put it in position. Fix it on the holder.